Have you ever wondered what it takes to get your carpet truly clean? It's not just about removing visible dirt and stains. It's about getting deep down into the fibers and removing allergens, bacteria, and other contaminants that can make your home unhealthy. That's where high-quality carpet cleaning comes in. Let's take a look at the steps involved in this process. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to receive our tips about how to keep your floors clean. Step 1 is pre-vacuuming. Before any cleaning solution is applied, the carpet is thoroughly vacuumed to remove dry soil, dust, and debris. This is an important step because it helps to loosen and remove any particles that are trapped deep in the carpet fibers. Step 2 is a spray treatment. Once the carpet has been pre-vacuumed, a cleaning solution is applied to the carpet fibers. This solution is specifically designed to break down and dissolve dirt and grime, making it easier to remove during the hot water extraction process. We are careful about the details when we are in your house. Step 3 is a hot water extraction. This is the most important step in the carpet cleaning process. A high-powered machine is used to spray hot water and cleaning solution deep into the carpet fibers. The machine then extracts the solution along with dirt, allergens, and other contaminants, leaving your carpet clean and fresh. And that's it! With pre-vacuuming, pre-spray treatment, and hot water extraction, your carpet can be restored to its original beauty and cleanliness. So if you're looking for high-quality carpet cleaning, be sure to choose a professional team that uses these 3 important steps. Your home will thank you. We are Alta Carpet Cleaning, and we serve the Dallas-Fort Worth area.